Hey everyone, if Instagram videos aren't playing on your Android device, don't worry. I'll walk you through some quick fixes to get them working again. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can cause videos to buffer or not play at all. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, restart the Instagram app. Close it completely. Reopen it and try playing the video again. If that doesn't work, restart your phone to refresh the system. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Outdated versions can cause glitches. If the issue continues, clear the Instagram cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find the Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the problem. Another thing to check is power saving mode. If your phone is in battery saver mode, it might limit background data, stopping videos from playing. Turn off the battery saver mode and try again. If that doesn't work, log out and log back in. Go to Instagram settings, scroll down, tap log out, then sign back and check if videos start playing. Finally, if Instagram servers are down, videos may not load properly. Check a site like Down Detector to see if others experiencing the same issue. If it's a server-side problem, you'll need to wait for Instagram to fix it. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you in the next one.